In this video we are making lactofermented carrot sticks. Start by washing and peeling off your carrots. This is a wet brining method that you're going to use here. You can use whey or you can omit it. It doesn't matter, it all depends on you. Traditionally our ferments were made without any whey. In winter time use more salt, summertime less salt, because the temperature is higher and that causes your ferment to go quicker, so that's why you add more salt to slow down the fermentation process. Here's the jar. Use the jar to measure how long the carrot sticks should be. Every jar is different. Just dip the carrot into the jar and get your cutting mark. You also want your carrots to be more or less the same height. And do the same with the other side of the carrot. The cut-offs can be added to this ferment, or you can make a total separate ferment with broccoli stems and cut off pieces of vegetables. With fermentation nothing goes to waste, so you use your broccoli stems and your vegetable cut-offs and add it all to one jar. It makes the most beautiful ferment you can think of. First you halve your carrots and then you halve it again to create the sticks. It all depends on how big your carrots are and how thick you want your sticks to be. Keep your fingers on the blade so that if the knife should slip, you know that your fingers would be out of the way. You can add ginger, you can add any type of spices, anything you prefer. To make your ferment look uniform, tilt your jar to the side so that you can stack your carrot sticks, so that when you tilt it back, all your carrot sticks stands up straight. As you can see, there's space for more carrot sticks, so I'm cutting up carrots until I see that there's no more space for anything else. This really goes quick. These carrot sticks really goes quick in my house, so the more the better. This ferment is made by using the wet brining technique, so when adding the salt it will be calculated on the water added. To make a 2% brine you will need 10 grams of salt per 500 ml of water, so that would be 20 grams per liter. Method: 1000 milliliters is 1 liter of water times 0.02, that's the percentage, 2%, and that equals 20 grams of salt to be added. I'm using hot water to dissolve the salt quickly. And then I'm adding cold water to cool down the temperature. I'm just making sure that the brine is indeed cool enough to add to the carrots. Okay, to keep the carrots beneath the brine, I'm going to use this plastic baggie. The liquid inside the bag would be the same brine solution that I will use to make my ferment with. If the liquid inside is plain water, osmosis will cause the water from the weight bag to leak into your ferment, and that you really don't want, because then you're making your ferment weaker. So then you just close your jar, and if you're new to fermentation or new to the taste of lacto-fermented vegetables, then you'll leave it for about 7 to 14 days and taste test it and see whether it's good enough to go into the fridge. If not, leave it along the time period. You can leave your lacto-fermented vegetables out for months and it will still be good. So try it out, let me know what you think, and if you are uncertain about anything, please let me know on the group. Enjoy. Take care and enjoy.